Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, so we'll be looking into the problem on the screen right now. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here. Drawing utilities, units. On my units, this to 1 decimal place. Okay. This to millimeters clockwise, then direction towards the north. Okay and okay. So after doing that, my next procedure is this. So I'm going to actually pick a line right here, then switching on my auto with F8. Okay, so I'm drawing this line at a distance of 64 mm. Enter. Okay, as you can see on the screen right there. Okay, so coming downward also 64. Enter. Okay, as you can see on the screen right there also. Yeah. Okay, so this side also 64. Enter. Then towards the top I'm going to end it right there. So I'm going to pick my offset distance of 16. Enter. Then I'm going to pick this line and offset it up there, as you can see right there. Okay, next is I'm going to pick a fillet. Okay, fillet of I'm going to pick this first side. Okay, then I'm going to pick radius of 32. Enter. Then I'm going to pick this other side, as you can see right there. Okay, so after doing this, now what is my next procedure? Next procedure for me is to actually come right here. Okay, pick 3D modeling. As you can see on the screen there, pick 3D modeling, so I can actually pick this area right here. Okay, so I'm going to actually pick press pull. So picking from this area, distance of 96. Enter. As you can see in the question on the screen right there. Then this area is distance of 16. Then enter. So I am going to come right here and pick shape with edges, as you can see on the screen right there. Okay, all right. So after doing that, what is the next procedure? I'm going to actually come right here. Okay, I'm going to pick this third one, face. Picking face, I'm going to click on this surface, then click on accept. After doing that, my next procedure is to actually pick a line here. So I'm going to pick this line. Okay, I'm going to draw this line at a distance of 20. Enter. So I'm going to come down here at 16. Enter. Then come down here at 20. Enter. Then close it right there. After doing that, I'm going to actually come to this circle. I'm going to pick center diameter. Okay, locate the midpoint right here and draw a circle of diameter 16. Then enter. So after doing that, what is the next procedure? I'm going to click on okay, I'm going to click on move. After clicking on move, I'm going to highlight the whole of this object. After highlighting it, I'm going to click on enter. Then I'm going to pick the midpoint of this object. Okay, switching off my auto mode. I'm going to locate the midpoint of this object from the edge here, which is that, as you can see on the screen. Now I can actually switch off this grid line. Okay, can you see that now? I think it's better like this. So then I'm going to pick my trim. Picking my trim, I'm going to trim this area off. Then I'm going to pick my press pull. With my press pull picked, I'm going to pick this. I'm going to come downward at mark of 16. Then enter. So we are almost there. So next procedure is I'm going to come to this area of face. Also, I'm going to pick this plane here, and you see enter. I'm going to pick that plane. So what's the next procedure for me to do now? I'm going to actually pick my line. Picking my line right here. From here, 96 minus 16 is 80. Distance of 80. Enter. The height of that, I'm going to on my auto. Yeah, so the height of my object there is 28. Enter. Coming down here, I'm having mark of 40. Enter. Then I'm going to end that here first of all. 28. Enter. Okay, I think there's a mix up somewhere. Yeah, there's a mix up somewhere, so let me undo. So I'm going to start all over. Picking this line. Okay, with my auto mode on. So from here I'm drawing it length of 80. Enter. length of 28, enter, length of 40, enter, and this should be length of 28, enter. So after doing that, I'm going to pick my line. I'm going to switch off the auto mode right now. So from this edge, okay, I'm going to end it at this edge, as you can see on the screen right there. So the next procedure is to actually pick center diameter of a circle. So we are having diameter 24. I'm going to locate the midpoint here. Then I'm going to draw diameter what's 24. Then what? Enter. So after doing that, I'm going to pick my press pull. With my press pull, yeah, I'm pulling this one towards the direction at a distance of that's 64 minus 22. That's going to be distance of 42. Okay, 42. Enter. Then I'm going to pull this also. Distance of what? This one is distance of 16. 16. Enter. So we have it right there now. So the next thing for us to do is we are going to move. So picking my move, I pick this and this. Then what? Enter. So then I'm going to actually pick from this edge here. Okay. Then down to, you see that edge there. Then what? That's it. After doing that, I can actually erase this. Yeah, I can erase this. So I'm not done yet. I need to actually unionize everything. So I'm going to pick do you see solid union? Picking my solid union, I'm going to highlight the whole of this object. Then what? Enter. So you can see now they are what? They are one as with way. So I can actually move this now, maybe towards this area. So I can actually delete all of this off. Then the whole of this, I can actually just take it off. So that is our object in what? In 3-dimensional, using what? AutoCAD. Using AutoCAD. Once again, my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.